वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट वाज फ्रेंच एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विथ फॉर स्कूल दैट डे। आंसर, दैट डे फ्रेंच वाज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विथ participles because M. Hamel had said that he would question them on participle. Friend did not know anything about participle. Question number second है, what did French notice that was unusual about the school that day? Answer है, usually when school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out in the street, but it was all very still that day. Everything was as quiet as Sunday morning. There was no opening or closing desk. His classmates were already in their places. The teacher's great ruler, instead to rapping on the table, was under M. Hammel's arm. Question number third है, what had put up on the bulletin board? इसका आंसर है, for the last 2 years, all the bad news had come from the bulletin board. An order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. The German had put up this notice on the bulletin board. क्वेश्चन नंबर थिंक अस यू रीड का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट वाज चेंज्ड द ऑर्डर फ्रॉम बर्लिन केज इन स्कूल दैट डे। इसका आंसर है, एम हेमेल हैड पुट ऑन हिज बेस्ट dress, his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and little black silk cap. Embroidered, the whole school seemed to stand or solemn on the backbench that were always empty. The elderly village people were sitting quietly like the kites. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, हाउ डिड फ्रेंच फीलिंग अबाउट एम हेमल एंड स्कूल चेंज। इसका आंसर है, फ्रेंच कम टू नो दैट इट वाज द लास्ट लेसन इन फ्रेंच दैट एम हेमल वुड गिव देम फ्रॉम the next day. They will be taught only German. Then he felt so sorry for not learning his lesson properly. His books, which seemed as nuisance and burden earlier, were now old friend. His feeling about MML also changed. He forgot all about his ruler and how cranky he was. इसके बाद है एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन, मोर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व। ठीक है, शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक वाज लिटिल फ्रेंच अफोर्ड ऑफ बीइंग स्कॉल्ड। इसका आंसर है, फ्रेंच वाज अफेयर टू बीइंग स्कॉल्ड दैट दैट especially because M. Hamel, the teacher, had said that he would question them on participle. French frankly admits that he was totally ignorant about the topic. His exact words are, I did not know the first word about them. Secondly, he had started for school very late that morning. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, मतलब इसके आगे वाले क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थे, इसलिए मैंने आपके लिए हटा दिया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज वॉचर, व्हाट डिड ही आस्क फ्रेंच एंड व्हाई, हाउ डिड फ्रेंच रिएक्ट। इसका आंसर है, वाचर वाज अ ब्लैक स्मिथ, ही वाज रीडिंग द लेटेस्ट बुलेटिन, ही आस्क्ड फ्रेंच नॉट टू गो so fast to his school. He added that the little boy would get to his school his plenty of time. Watcher had read the latest bulletin about teaching of German. French thought that the blacksmith was making a fun of him, so he ran to the school and reached there breathless. Question number 5 है, what was usual scene when French school began in the morning? Usually when the school began there was a great bustle. The noise could be heard out in the school. Students opened and closed their desks. They repeated the lesson together very loudly. They kept their hands over their ears to understand better. The teachers would go on rapping the table with his great iron ruler. Question number 6 है, how had French hoped to get to his desk? What had he to go and why? इसका आंसर है, फ्रेंच हैड होप टू गेट टू हिज डेस्क अनसीन ड्यूरिंग द commotion, but that day it was very quiet, so French had to open the door and go in before everybody. He blushed as he was late. He was frightened that the teacher might rebuke him, but M. Hamel spoke kindly to him that day. Question number 7 है, What three things in school surprised French most that day? First, MML, the teacher had put on his fine Sunday clothes, his beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and the little black silk cap, all embroidered. Second, the whole school seemed quite strange, and Suleiman. Thirdly, the village people were sitting quietly like school children on the backbench that usually remained empty. सो थैंक यू। अगला चैप्टर बहुत जल्द आएगा।